Hey squids, we got a lot to do today, so I'm going to talk kind of fast. Remember, you can always stop the video if you need to. Okay, I'm just going to go right along with the sheets, and we'll get started with chart one, column chart. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open Google Sheets. And then under Start a New Spreadsheet, you're going to click blank right here. Blank. All right, then we're going to begin in cell A1. Remember, this is the column, it's A, and this is the row, that's 1. And I'm going to type YouTube. And then I can hit tab and go over to B. Then I have to use my mouse to get down. Also, you'll notice that this worksheet was made before TikTok existed. Or TikTok would definitely be on here. Okay, all right, so going on to number 4, it says use the selection arrow, click into cell A1, and select to cell B5. So what I like to do is hold the shift key down, and then there it is. Okay, next, click insert, under insert, click chart, or you can always just go to the picture. Come on. Pie chart. So what I'm going to say is the next thing is to go into this customize button because I'm going to switch. I don't want a pie chart. So then I'm going to go to chart type or chart style, and I'm going to click, go into setup. Sorry, chart type. I'm going to go to column chart right here. And then I'm going to go to customize. Oh, it's already there. Sorry. And I will put a chart title, chart and axis title. Click into the chart title box right here. And I'm going to say average time on social media. Okay. Then I want to also title the axis title. So I go to vertical axis title next. And I'm going to type it minutes per day. Good. And then you can always check what yours looks like with either my chart or the one that's on the worksheet. Then we go to it's already got and then I'm going to go to horizontal axis title and make sure it says social media. I actually missed that. I'm a little out of order. There we go. Now it looks like that. Now the next thing it says is to apply 3D to the chart. So click chart style. Okay. And then click the box next to 3D. Ooh, that's nice. And then there you go. You have your beautiful chart. But there's more. Then it says data labels show the exact numbers for each column. So double click on the chart data to open the chart editor. So you can just go here. There it is already. And then click series and click the box next to data labels. Great. Then right here, we're going to move it. So it says move to own sheet. Good. Oops, I did that wrong. Don't ignore what I just said. So we'll try that again. Move to own sheet. Oh, I did do that right. Move to own sheet. Okay, and there you go. It's really beautiful. And we can call it column chart minutes per day. Okay, and that is actually really, really beautiful. Okay, that's all you have to do.